Welcome to the Exchange, your go-to hub for buying, selling, and trading with confidence. I'm absolutely thrilled you're joining us today. We have an exciting journey ahead as we dive headfirst into how to navigate this vibrant marketplace safely, while also maximizing its incredible benefits. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First and foremost, let's talk about safety. It really is key. When you're out there making trades, always meet in public spaces. Think designated exchange zones, areas that are well lit, or even right near police stations. This simple tip can significantly reduce risks and make your trading experience much safer. And here's another great tip: bring a friend along. Not only does this boost your security, but it also makes trading a lot more enjoyable. Plus, when you have someone with you, it helps keep you accountable. So, if that deal you're eyeing doesn't feel quite right, your friend can give you that second opinion you might need. Now, let's chat about something equally important: privacy. In a world where sharing personal information is so easy, it's crucial to be cautious. Avoid sharing unnecessary personal details with your trading partners. Keep the conversation professional and focused on the transaction at hand. If an offer seems too good to be true, well, it probably is. Trust your instincts and don't hesitate to walk away if something feels off. Your safety and peace of mind are paramount. So how does the exchange work exactly? Picture this: a parallel economy where goods and services flow freely, without the constant need for cash. Individuals and businesses engage in trading using trade dollars, essentially credits that are earned from selling items or services. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a local bakery that trades fresh, delicious bread for graphic design work. This way, they can serve their cash while still being able to access the services they need. It's a classic win-win situation. For businesses, this trading system can mean sustained growth even during tough economic times. Instead of stressing over slow sales, business owners can trade excess inventory for marketing help or use trade dollars to purchase office supplies. It's a smart strategy that fosters creativity and resourcefulness in the face of challenges. And don't forget about the networking opportunities. Every interaction you have in the exchange can lead to new referrals, partnerships, or even loyal customers. There are so many success stories out there. For instance, consider businesses that have managed to cover staff bonuses with spa gift cards or book corporate retreats without ever dipping into their cash budgets. Even vet bills and legal services can be bartered, which ultimately saves cash for those unexpected expenses that we all encounter. But here's the exciting part: the exchange isn't just for businesses. It's also a treasure hunt for locals. You can explore vintage shops or online platforms to unearth unique items you won't find anywhere else. Just remember to inspect goods in daylight to spot any potential flaws and negotiate wisely for that guilt-free shopping experience. What's more satisfying than scoring a fantastic deal? Are you ready to join the exchange? Connect with us on social media and explore the low-fee trading options available. If you're just getting started, begin small. Beginners often find user-friendly tools incredibly helpful to ease into trading. On the other hand, if you're a seasoned trader, you can leverage those advanced analytics for an edge in the marketplace. As we wrap up today's discussion, remember, the exchange is more than just a marketplace. It's a vibrant community. Stay safe, think creatively, and always keep an eye out for opportunities. Trade dollars serve as an internal currency for services like haircuts or car repairs, and success stories are everywhere. Businesses thrive by swapping, saving, and building connections with others in this unique marketplace. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore smartly, and let the exchange transform how you buy, sell, and trade. Happy swapping, everyone! We can't wait to have you join us on this exciting journey. Until next time, keep trading and stay connected.